So following university, I joined a global consumer product design company. That was back in 1997. I've had various roles in that company for 22 years, and they started off in production engineering and design departments, all the way through to looking after multiple R&D companies across the globe to develop our products for us. So throughout my career, I've been working with multiple R&D companies across the globe, and also multiple manufacturing companies as well. So both disciplines interest me. So I was looking for a company which not only had its own R&D facility, but also manufactured its products in-house. And that's what attracted me to work with Amulet Hotkey. So in my previous career, I was working with a global R&D companies, and I was looking for a smaller organization to work with, so I could work with all aspects of the business. Part of my role within my previous company was working at a business level, and Amulet allows me to work in every aspect of the business. Additionally, after meeting the people here, and specifically people within the engineering department, it felt like the right move for me. Another reason why I enjoy working with Amulet Hotkey is we engage with a lot of major global IT brands as well. That is really exciting to see cutting edge technology being used and how we can employ that into some of our solutions and designs. So like many R&D companies across the globe, we've been faced with extraordinary circumstances recently with global events that have happened. Amulet has obviously had to face that as well. And over the past couple of years, COVID and other has had major impacts on how we approach design and how we maintain our products going forward. So Amulet Hotkey R&D and solutions team are aligned to be as flexible as possible, using our knowledge of remote working solutions. AHK is dedicated to offering products and solutions focused on changing customer requirements and environment. AHK has a long-standing relationship with key remote protocol engineering teams. This unique understanding of this technology allows us to engineer unique products and solutions. So data security is centric to every solution that our hardware and software teams design within Amulet Hotkey. We have dedicated teams who monitor security risks across our product range. We continuously strive to keep our customers up to date with the latest software, firmware, and BIOS releases to maintain data and infrastructure security. So I'm relatively new to Amulet Hotkey, but certainly over the past 3 years, we've seen major changes within our organization, and specifically within R&D. A lot of those, as I previously mentioned, have been around supply chain uncertainty. Looking at new designs in particular brings a lot of challenges onto what components we can use within that design, and be able to procure those components in a meaningful time frame. So we are seeing an increase in demand for high density workstation solutions, and at Amulet we are always pushing the boundaries of how we can utilize GPU technologies within these small form factor solutions. And we're now finding that we are at the limits of what air cooling can achieve. So looking at liquid cooling solutions is a trend we're seeing more and more now. And we're seeing a lot of innovative solutions appearing on the market, smaller form factors, higher efficiency, or even self-contained solutions. Not so much a particular person, but what inspires me is seeing the team that I work with grow in their ability and desire to deliver successful projects. So very much usually silence, but working within a very busy department with continuous interaction, silence is very rare.